Happy birthday to all of our
Yes,
customers.
we're celebrating this
Yeah.
table.
What's her name? Abigail, happy birthday kayo mo. And would like to, at this time, would like to request itong customers nila mag-isal na sa atong kantahan para sa kaniya. Magkanta ng happy birthday song. Ready na ba? So you must be all ready sa mga friends and family.
Tanga lang.
Happy birthday.
Uy, ikaw pa niyo.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Abigail.
Happy birthday.
Congratulations on your birthday. Blow your candle and make 1,000 wishes. Yan, do it right now. No, do it when mahuman kita ka ng wish. Yan, happy birthday to you. Congratulations.